Hello. How are you, Mr. Daniels?
Wonderful.
Is there something wrong?
Look, I ain't got all day. I mean, would you look at this boner? I think, if I look at your jugulars again, I'm gonna pop.
Could we move on?
Sorry. It's just, I have not came in last 3 months. It's pretty cobwebbish down there, you know.
I see. So, I hear you used to be an elementary school principal.
Oh yes, but that was a long time ago. I just stay home and watch BET and stuff.
Oh, so you like black entertainment?
Not really. I just like to masturbate when the Wendy Williams show comes on. Or Monique occasionally.
You do realize that you're in an interview for employment at a very conservative and executive company.
You do realize that all I can think about is how fast I can stuff my British wong inside of your US twatagina.
I am sorry, but I am going to have to ask you to leave.
Oh come on, give me another shot. I promise I won't say any more raunchy things.
Fair enough.
Like cock.
See.
Or pussy.
Mr. Daniels.
Or my cock in your poo nanny.
Could you cut it out?
God damn it. What does a man gotta do in 2012 to get some brain in the backseat of a Hummer? Hey, do you like Gucci Mane?
Well, his music is rather nice. Excuse me, could we continue?
Carry on.
So, could you tell me a little about your employment history?
Well, after I left that goddamn hellhole of elementary school, I started work in a town outside of Las Vegas as a call girl. Did you know prostitution is legal in Nevada?
Mr. Daniels, you promised.
Oh, for Queen Elizabeth's sake, where's your sense of sexual humor?
It died. After I got divorced and thought I was a lesbian.
Now we're talking. So, did you and this lesbian lover of yours lick all in and around each other's monkeys? Or did you just rub trouts together?
No, we did not. Mr. Daniels, I am really about to erupt.
Oh yeah. Could you do it on my penis? I'd really like to masturbate with your warm, probably cold juices.
I am not.
Gonna let me smash that?
I am not going to tolerate.
My dick all in and around your mouth.
You do understand that the CEO Suniri would not put up with this?
Suniri. Well, ain't that a bitch? You mean to tell me that Suniri is the CEO of this company, and that she would not tolerate me? Well, she sure tolerated this London Bridge last night.
It is pronounced Suniri.
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 That's what I just said, you stupid ignorant consenting little bitch.
Mr. Daniels, please.
Leave?
S. You stole the words right out of my mouth.
I see. Now that I got those words out, how about putting my sausage inside? Swagger bitch.
I'm so sick of this shit. Oh my, I just cursed. And it felt great. You cock-sucking, dog dick-licking, crack pipe sniffing, BET Wendy Williams masturbating, little whore. Get the fuck out. Now.
Oh my.